Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have an HP ProBook. It is a HP ProBook 640 G4, and it's making a beeping sound when you power on. Let's check it out. So it's 1, 2, 3 beeps. Okay, let's go ahead and turn this off. 3 beeps usually indicates RAM. I like thinking of RAM 3. So let's go ahead and just open this up. We'll start off by just reseating it, see if that does anything, and if it does, then we're all set. This customer stated he does not have a battery and no hard drive, so I'm assuming he plugs it in and he runs either some third-party boot from USB type OS. Let's go ahead and open this up here. Oh, there we are. Okay, let's go ahead and begin by ejecting the RAM. Okay, so what I like to do, hold the power button maybe about 15-20 seconds. Do a quick CMOS reset like this as well. And when you come back, you put just one module in first. You boot it up. If it boots, you let that push through. You turn it off, you put in the second module, and you should be good. So let's go ahead and do this. Alright, there's one. Let's go ahead and power this on. Okay. In the beginning, it might take a little longer when you do a CMOS reset for anything to show on display. There's light. Oh, there it is. Okay guys, so we got that right. Let's go ahead and wait for that to push through a bit. It's a bit of an older system, so you got to be patient with it. Okay, go ahead and turn it off. Put the second module in there. There we go. And there we are, guys. It's back up and running. Sometimes simple, so there's telling you that it detected the new size. Sometimes a simple reseating of the RAM with the CMOS reset does it. Typically this happens when the computer is left off so long that the settings kind of get messed around a little bit. So here we are, we're all set, ready to install the OS or whatever he runs on. Alright guys, have a good day, take care.